Alright guys, how's it going? So as you saw from last video, we completely finished up the STI. It runs, it drives, everything works flawlessly. So today we're going to be cleaning up the car, both the inside and outside. It's filthy right now, so we're going to completely transform it. So let's get into it. Alright guys, and just like that, we just finished cleaning the body of the car. It looks really good. We didn't bother cleaning any of the tires or anything because we're going to be pulling those off and cleaning them separately. But let's get into finishing it. Alright guys, so the next step is we're going to be jacking the car up and pulling the tires off to clean them. Let's do it! Alright guys, so as you can see, we pulled the tires off the car and they're right here. We have some Chemical Guys wheel cleaner, so we're going to go wet the tires down and spray the wheel cleaner and scrub them clean. So let's do it. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we got all the wheels clean, front and back. They look super nice. I'd almost say they look brand new, but they do have some minor dings in them still. So now we're going to go stack the tires up, and then we're going to start working on cleaning up the brake calipers. Let's do it. Alright guys, so next step is we're going to clean the brake calipers here. There's a ton of brake dust on them. What we're going to do is we're going to get them wet with some water. Then we're going to spray the Chemical Guys wheel cleaner on it. And then we're going to scrub it all around. That's just going to take the brake dust right off and make these calipers look super shiny and new. So let's do it. Alright guys, so now we're under the car. We're going to just clean the rear differential here and the subframe, just using the same technique that we've been using to clean the brake calipers. So let's do it. Alright guys, so we just finished cleaning the wheels, the brake calipers. We cleaned the rear differential. We cleaned near the transmission, just to get that 17 years of grease and grime off the car. So now it's time to move on to cleaning the interior. So guys, to clean the interior, we're going to be pulling the seats out. We're going to be vacuuming everything, and then we're going to be using an extractor to thoroughly deep clean the carpeting to give it a nice, new, fresh smell. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you can tell, we got the seats out, they're vacuumed. So the next step is we're going to be using the extractor on them, which will take all these stains out. It'll make them look brand new. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna pull all this stuff out of here, put it in a trash bag, and then we're gonna use a vacuum cleaner, suck everything out, and then we can use the extractor on both the carpet and the seats. Okay guys, so before we use the extractor in here on the carpeting, I have some Dawn dish soap and water mixed in here, and I'm going to spray it on the carpeting and the seat, and then I'm going to use the drill brush and just kind of mix it up. That way it'll loosen all the dirt up, and once we're ready for the extractor, it'll just suck it all right out without any problem, and it'll look really good after. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so we just finished extracting the interior. We also extracted the door cards. So now we're just going to use some Chemical Guys interior cleaner, and we're just going to clean up all the plastics on the inside. So let's do it. Okay guys, so the next step, we're going to be degreasing the engine bay and just cleaning it up. So let's start cleaning it up. Alright guys, so the seats just finished drying after extracting them. And now it's time to put them back in the car. Let's install them. Just like that, we've completely finished detailing the STI. As you can tell, it looks great. The exterior looks super good. The interior also looks great. I'm really happy with how this turned out. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.